Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
You know, it's very foolish to continue paying 20 to 30% interest when you could pay 5.5% and get a write-off back on that money. So, I mean, the listeners really, now's the time. We need to wake up, educate ourselves, and get rid of these credit cards. That's the economic problem we're having, is credit cards and the housing crisis between the two of them, Conroy.
Sure.
So
Absolutely. So what we're saying here now, Eddie, is that to alleviate a financial strain, one of the ways to do it is through refinancing.
Absolutely.
And absolutely, the number to call to get hold of Eddie Albert right now is 718-652-6200. As we said, we have tens of thousands of people listening in right now who are having a problem. And, certainly a part of that problem is credit card debt. There are other factors as well. A number of people listening have adjustable rate mortgages, and no one, I think, at any time, especially with what we know now, we've been educating consumers for years on this program. No one should actually have an adjustable rate mortgage. Not when they can call 718-652-6200, speak to Eddie Albert, and find out what can be done about that, like refinancing to switch to a fixed rate.
Absolutely. Get a second opinion. Let me do a free evaluation. Let me look at your personal situation and see if I can't help save you money. Because you know what? These are tough times, folks. We need to tighten our belts and save money. Everything is costing more. And how can you do that? You do a simple refinance transaction with First Republic, and you will see the difference in the expenses that you have at the end of the month. You'll be able to meet those needs for you and your family. So I urge you, give me a call today at 718-652-6200. Let me do a free evaluation on your personal circumstances, and let's see how much money I can save you at the end of the month.
All right, that's 718-652-6200, 718-652-6200 for Eddie Albert in the office this morning. He'll be here till about 2:30 or so, and he's looking to hear from you right now. It's no sense, thinking about the problem and not doing anything about it. A lot of people are a bit shy, a bit reluctant to call because, a lot of people figure, well, I haven't called yet. I didn't call when times are good. Now times are a little tighter. How can I be helped? Well, let Eddie be the judge of that because he's an expert. The man has tons of experience, having been affiliated with New York's finest small bank, New York's finest community bank for years and years and years. So call him right now, 718-652-6200.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.